All right, let's resume our journey. You can see, I don't know if you can see here, screen of my phone, the handlebars are a little bit damp here. Again, this is the only time this has ever happened to me. Usually I try to plan these hikes where there's no chance of any type of precipitation, and I didn't think there was going to be. Oh, trying to check my GPS. I'm like, what do I have marked on there? So there, see here, you can see a piece of a tie that's still left in place. All right, let's zip you ahead a little bit here. Okay, yet another culvert. I think you can read this one pretty good. What does that say? 118.47. Yeah, looks like 118.47, which would be 68.77 on the original line. All right, let's continue plugging along here. Hopefully the weather cooperates. I have to stop periodically and check the lens of the camera, make sure there's no dots of moisture on there, otherwise you get little issues. Holy crap, look at that. There's a telegraph pole. Didn't even see this one. There's a still standing telegraph pole there. Let's mark this up on the GPS. See, sometimes you get lucky and you just kind of notice something. So, see the number 2. Looks like there's an attempt made to chop this down. So you can see there's a whole bunch of insulators up there. Mostly all Dominion 42s, but I can see a couple green ones. Can't tell if they're Brookfield or Hemingway from down here. So this one even has the, you can see one of them's broken, but it actually has the side pegs there. Looks like it has some Hemingways, maybe some number 12s there on the side. Again, I'm not a collector, but you start to learn a few things as you kind of you know, look at these things. So it's kind of neat to see the greens on the side there. All right, back in the saddle here. We'll keep our eyes open to see if we see any more standing telegraph poles. Seems like they always are in areas where, like, you know, like there's conifers and stuff, so then you can't see them as easily. So here we're coming up to yet another rock cut. So we have big blob of rock. I don't know how much they would have taken off of here. Doesn't maybe look like there was any real amount of blasting that happened. Maybe just a little bit off the tip there, a little off the nose. But you can see the height of the cliff above us here. That's got to be 70 feet, maybe more, up above us. So again, just indicative of the geography of the area here. Okay, let's move past this rock cut here. We're gonna see some more. Again, you can just see the height here of the ridge that's above us. Again, just the I guess part of the old shoreline of the river. So here you can see it just continues. Gotta watch where I'm going here. I'm gonna kill myself. I think we have another culvert coming up here. Yep, right up there. Obviously, modern metal culvert. You can see the creek there is dry. What does she say here? This is 69 even, so that's 118.7. So we're kind of inching our way close to milepost 119. So here you can see yet more rock work. Not terribly high, just probably took a little bit off the side of this cut here. You can see a little bit here at the bottom, and here as it gets a little bit bigger, probably, I don't know, 10, 12 feet. And here it gets even bigger. So here starts off small here, but we're probably pushing, I don't know, geez, got to be 25 feet, if not more. Not too much on the west side, I guess. Again, some of the difficulties and challenges of constructing this here. You can actually see one of the drill marks from the drill right in through here and through the rock. I don't know if there's any other ones. I don't see anything. Those are always neat to see. Again, being built kind of at the dawn of mechanization, right? So powered drills are just sort of coming online. But again, still a lot of manual labor required to build these railway lines, particularly all the rock work and such. So again, you can just see the pretty big height of this cut.